Well, it is day 2 of our Youper adventure. So we need to get on the road and find adventure. Come on. We were doing a little off-roading when suddenly we came upon this. This is a military installation, highly classified, restricted, and it's a missile silo in the middle of the Upper Peninsula. You got all these signs warning radiation possibilities, alarms going off. It's a missile silo and missile base. How do you like that? I guess it's a good place right on the border of Canada in case they ever try to invade us. Anyways. Well, we are in the Oswald Bear Ranch. They have 49 bears. They have cubs and they have a lot of feeding. It's a pretty basic setup. They have apples to feed the adult bears, but the cubs are only fed cub food, so you can't feed the cubs. But you can hold the cubs and pet the cubs. Let's see if we can find the cubs. This is the cub line. These are all orphans brought in from who knows where, all over the place. Cubs have a pool they can play in, the bigger cubs. Here's one of the big enclosures. They like apples. These are yearlings. They're a year old. If they were with their mother, she'd be trying to get rid of them. They have observation platforms in really big areas. As you can see, the bears climb and claw the trees and have a good time with them. Guy up on the log. He's being a clown for apples. And these two cinnamon black bears, they're just kind of hanging out. They must be twins. So you can get in the cage and feed the cubs and have your picture taken. They give you an ice cream, and when the food's gone, get your hands back and step away. I like that. And they do a pretty good job. $10 up to 9 people. And they have a good picture policy. Definitely a worthwhile experience.
Now, pet here, pet smell, cheese.
Like here?
Yep. She's most likely gonna eat. Look here, guys. Look here, guys. Now, pet the bear and leave it again. Pet the smell, guys. Look here, cheese, cheese, cheese. Let's spoon up a little bit there. And look here, look here. Alright, perfect. Now, watches, bracelets, and necklaces are bear coats, so I'm going to take them off.
Okay.
Sunglasses will have to come off top of your head. Two, Alright, perfect. Now, follow the line back up. Thank you very much. Let's spin up the bunch. Alright, perfect. Now, guys. That's cool. Look at you guys.
So, this is the gift shop. And they've got everything a gift shop should have. It's in a big old barn. They got stickers and hats, t-shirts, got drinks, and they got lots of stuffed bears. So as you speed along these roads and people get going 80 miles an hour, you'll see signs like this. Stop and enjoy. We're gonna see what this is about. Cuddling puppies. Sounds good. It's like a neat little business. We've got a nice little walk here. Gosh, all the flowers. Here's the puppy pens. And the puppies are out there. It's early morning. They're sleeping after breakfast.
Alright, so they did around the Yukon Quest are the only 1,000-mile sled dog races in the world. Both of them happen up in Alaska, and I've been fortunate enough to run them both twice. Wow. So I'll share some stories from those adventures with you.
To get to this falls. The mighty Tahquamenon River, and there are falls. Pretty cool falls. They have some facts, I think, that are really weird that say it's the largest waterfalls east of the Mississippi. I don't know that they've ever been to Niagara Falls. Here's the other lower falls, and that's about another half a mile around to get to that. They don't impress me too much. Well, I don't think we need to take this. He's not behaving because there's too many dogs here. There are some nature trails and less used hiking trails from the falls back to the parking lot, so we're taking them, and he can mark all the vegetation so the next dog that comes can know he was here. Well, we're going here next. This is the Shipwreck Museum. By the Voyagers, the fur keepers. Ooh, there's a big Fresnel lens. This is the remains of the Independence. Today I think you can dive on a lot of these are considered historic sites of importance that they won't let you touch. So really a lot of this museum is stuff they've recovered from various shipwrecks. Now here's the Carl D. Bradley that sunk in 1966, departing Buffalo. And of course the Edmund Fitzgerald. There's a model of it. Our campsite is right up the road from this little picnic area, parking area. And there's nobody ever here. Since there's never anybody here, we figured we'd stop and let the boy run around a little bit. It's right on the lake though, so he has to stay out of the water. He's not going to like that. But maybe I can give him a stick and he'll understand. We have to walk quite a ways to the picnic area, but it's not too bad. Nice area. The nice thing is it's not all sand. Almost every place is sand, and then there's all these rocks. But this is all pine needles and stuff. But this is apparently the picnic grove. Here is Lake Superior. Oh, what a beautiful beach. Ugh, I can't get my foot over it. Ugh. Sun is going down. It's about 6 o'clock. Well past dinner time. Oh, we're gonna be full of sand now again. He loves driftwood. He just likes to bite the waves. Well, folks, I just finished editing this, and I think I'm going to upload it and post it early. It's been Memorial Day weekend, and we have to get packed up and out of here real early in the morning. There are at least 20 RVs, trailers, and motorhomes all leaving today. I don't want to be here all day watching other people empty their tanks. So we're going to get up pretty early and get out of here. But I hope you enjoyed this. You know, if you ever get up there, definitely try to get up there before Laura Niece stops doing the puppy cuddle, because that's pretty cool. And the stories she tells about her doing the 1,000-mile sled dog races is pretty impressive. The bears are pretty cool. I mean, it's kind of they're orphan bears. They're all rescue bears. They're in there for life. They don't ever go back outside. So they've had some for over 40 years. So it's pretty impressive that they keep that thing going, and they can really use that was the best 4 days I've had up here so far. Now we're going over to the Pitcher Rocks next, and then to the Kinawa Peninsula, to Copper Mine and Copper Harbor. So we got some stuff over there. We'll be in some real nice national forests. So stay tuned, thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think, and would you pet the bear? All right, thanks folks. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. Tired. God, too much work.